What is up, guys? Jerry here with a new video. Today what we're gonna do is go to the meet. We're gonna chill with some of the boys there and yeah, have a nice night. You know, I know I said I was gonna make a video about the Saab, but that can hold off till tomorrow. So we're gonna start heading over there and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Picking at the bones of everything that will ever be. Pieces of a life forevermore. Find the light for me.
One, race car number 2. Look, race car right there. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Hear my Saab. I want to see that, man. Oh shit! Get the pizza, bro. Yeah, shit. You got that free pizza, bro.
I'll take one.
Only two.
Oh, come on.
I'm taller, bro. What's up?
What the fuck?
But y'all some.
You gotta share that shit with me.
I share with you. I share with you.
Bro, I'm too short.
Alright, why not?
Everybody gonna eat all this shit.
Good.
I got you.
You wanna get one? Get one.
Hey, I'm too short.
Just put it through the bar. Just put it through the bar.
The bar?
Yeah. Like slide. It don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck
So
if
you
it's
don't have to
sideways.
walk so far.
Yeah. Bro, we just got dead ass free pizza, bro.
Good luck, bro.
Bro, dead ass good luck.
What up?
We dead ass got free pizza, bro.
Hey, bro. We didn't like just rob you, right?
What?
Is that yours?
This is pizza that was like left over in the store. It would have just been thrown away if I didn't bring it to you guys.
Oh, that's what's
Good
up.
look.
Yeah, for real.
that. Shit, let me get that wings still, guys.
Bro, Papa John's.
Right.
To be honest, I thought he was doing a delivery or some shit.
And he got the garlic in the house.
Damn.
Also,
To be honest.
two up in here in the
Damn,
corner.
bro, nigga, you got the whole pizza to yourself. Wait, where can I put this, bro? Oh my god. This shit's all drift mode. He's all about that drift life. What's up, man? I'm doing this shit's about to be sweet though. Yeah.
He has a 1J Sora, and the other guy has, his friend has a 1J Sora. They're both white, but one he's scrapping out, so try to get close.
Wait, he's from Charlotte?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, this shit looks. I don't know. I'm not into swords like that, but it's nice. I like the color on it. Yeah. It's nice, man.
It'll go fast. You gotta learn something.
Yeah. Ronnie, you got a drift car now?
I bet you it'll
figure eights. Do some figure eights, bro. Ronnie out here drifting out. Oh. Anybody want a tandem with Ronnie? Anybody can get it. When'd you get this? Huh? When'd you get this? It looks like you got a good bit of practice, bro. I feel like I would break that shit.
Ours from Dick. Small tire was a small tire.
Oh yeah, good.
Alright. What kind of tire you got though? 55 bar.
How you doing, dude? What are you doing off the light?
Yeah, I'm doing one
That's what 2 races. If you don't go. Hey, come on, I'm waiting on you to back this thing out. Hell, I done drove my shit out.
Right, it's only 11 o'clock.
Hey, goddamn, Bill bottom end.
Huh?
Bill bottom end.
It's got a
He ain't too gangster with his hands though.
Driver's size P30.
You have to get
So what we have here is a turbo. Yeah.
You got a turbo.
It's circular. That's the turbo right there.
It's a turbo.
And you see the turbo? It's a whole turbo.
Gosh, damn.
Yeah. Sean got a whole turbo right there.
What?
He got a turbo.
You don't talk to your daddy like that.
You gonna race it 4-year-old?
I'm into it.
So you run like a 7.28? At 96?
You should have paid it.
You gonna walk the bar?
I like that. That's the one I like that one.
It's just like, wait, damn, they get cold as fuck.
Yeah.
It has that same like.
This door, the whole door, with the glass already in it.
Yeah, I think they already, like, they got that plexiglass with the doors.
Yeah, plexiglass.
Yeah.
Yeah, Matt has it for $200.
Don't worry about it, I just edited it. It's lit, guys. It's shit lit. It's wide body.
He probably doesn't even remember coming to buy. Where'd it go? Because they said West. That's what they said. That's what Sean just said. Doing more Chapel. He said
Yeah, we're going to Morris Chapel.
Morris Chapel, and then he said that it was a stop.
We out. We're going to race that.
I've been standing right here, y'all don't know?
Start the car. Let's go. Well, once you get it strapped down, we're leaving. Yeah.
So we're gonna meet up at Morris Chapel, didn't we?
I gotta go get the tune first.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you mean that's there?
And then I'm gonna roll the SCI and I'm gonna go dig that. Huh?
Yeah, what?
You gonna come with us?
Oh yeah, we're gonna go see some racing tonight, boys. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Alright, boys, we're going out to Mexico. It's over. Got that VP racing gas, though.
Yeah, I'll be home in a little bit.
Yo, somebody put the, can you put the e-brake? Oh, you got it?
Oh damn, Richard.
What the fuck is that?
Yo, bend the fucking bumper.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this ain't my dolly. The fucking thing is crazy. I just don't want to scratch it. I'm gonna have get a new phone. Oh. About the car, like the paint wise, or no? On my EK, yes. On my hatch, I'll fucking.
Bro, I'm a dog. Here, I'll hold it in. You can pop it. Yeah.
Oh, that's the one I have popped up. You gotta put it down for me. What the fuck? Bro, this
Done from the beginning.
Fuck that.
Now
I
look,
don't want to scratch that man's bump. Oh, it popped right out. It's good. Shit.
That's all right. It'll work.
I figured out a better way to hold it.
Y'all cut it up yet?
Nah, just the doors installed.
That's gonna make a big difference, dog.
I got the fiberglass door, so.
Boy, oh boy.
Bro, you know how bad you about to beat that fucking HP?
Yeah. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be worse than,
Alright, get in.
what's his name's car?
Get in.
It's gonna be pretty
Get a
bad.
flag, I need a light.
Alright.
You got it?
Treat the light again. I'll have to get
Last
one.
night was great.
Last night was
Last
lit,
night
man.
was crazy.
You wanna take that battery out?
Last night was lit.
Yeah, we still got a.
Last night was
Dog, it's not. Dog.
that nigga, that already said
Got it?
Turn it to the left. Turn to the left so you break it up a little bit. 'Cause he gonna.
I was like,
You about to roll off of. You good? You good?
Yo, we got him.
Back it up a little bit.
I can't even keep up with that.
I could not keep up with him. I couldn't keep up with him. That's how I was stalking.
You gonna drive it there?
I could kind of keep up with him. Let's go
Yeah,
to
but
the Pro Series intake.
Trying to figure out if they gonna go there or not.
Oh, you do have an intake.
I need a bigger throttle body, but it's got a skunk 2 alpha header and stuff, and 2.5 all the way back. I need bigger intake piping. But
Let me show them that shifter. That shifter is mad nice, man.
I used to like I
You got that K-tune shifter in here.
I put the coils on it, everything else. It's got a camber kit. And I put the 3 solid mounts in it too, the 400 horse Innovations.
Oh, the motor mounts?
Yeah. And,
Let me ask you a serious question. Spoon Sports
Other guys
or
do
Mugen?
that's why they. Honestly, I don't own any Spoon Sports products except for that right there. I like the rear camber kit. It's Mugen. I will say this: Skunk 2 has horrible fitment.
What about aesthetics?
Wait.
Aesthetics.
I don't know. I haven't messed with any of their products either. K-Tune, don't buy a real-time master cylinder for them. I
On the-
blew mine out in 10,000 miles.
On the K24, I'm thinking of doing Skunk 2 valves because I have the head off.
Oh, now, yeah. Now, Skunk 2 internals, I've heard, are really good.
Yeah, I'm thinking of doing the valves, those, and then doing cams. But I'm not sure about what kind of cams I want right now.
I don't know.
So,
Just depends if you're going street or,
nah, I want to turbo the car.
I don't know about it, but I know all motor they run like stage 5s with super high compression. But
Yeah,
I can't talk much. I'm B series all the way.
we just love B series.
they're a lot cheaper. Than fucking
Cheaper
K-Series.
and it was.
Cheaper than K series.
It's,
It's just a lot of
it's
things
more
that go into
simple
K
for me.
series. He said it's more
This is more
simple.
Believe me, this car, they're a lot more simple. This car is a bitch to work on. Like, it's a 2.5 hour job with just me and my dad pulling the trans out on a lift.
The thing with like newer Hondas and Civics and just in general, they're electronics.
This one
Yeah.
isn't like this isn't the 02 to 04 wasn't any electronic cable. It was still cable driven throttle.
Oh,
Now,
I'm
the
talking about like VTEC and all that other
Oh yeah,
bullshit.
well yeah it is. And one thing too you gotta check, is oil flowing out of the pressure seal on the back, or the pressure cylinder on the back. And what sucks about these cars too is in a hatch, it don't have this, but on this it's got the big square K-member. And when you pull anything out from underneath, you gotta drop that whole K-member.
Oh, the subframe.
Yeah, the subframe.
Yeah.
But that's what sucks. But I mean, it makes them.
FA5s, you gotta drop that bitch.
Yeah. But
It's like the DAs. You gotta drop the subframe. It's a bitch.
in like a hatch, you don't have no front subframe. You can just drop it right out.
You beat. That's the wrong plug. iPhone plug.
Oh, we're gonna put the.
He said it was an iPhone plug.
Hold on.
Yeah, grab my dick.
Okay.
Grab my dick.
I'm not grabbing your dick,
Grab my
nigga.
dick.
Bro.
Grab my balls at least.
Yo,
Grab my balls.
I'm gonna put a finger in your ass, nigga. Shut up.
You can probably fit 3 of them in there. You're knocking my food truck out.
Ooh, Fucking Sean, what you ate?
I didn't even do no. You farted again?
You farted?
How do you usually have this? Power on this side or that side?
Yeah, it's like that. It's like that.
Yeah, no.
It's the remote, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like as soon as you look right there, they're right there. There's more than one.
Nah, this one, they chilling. When they chilling, his lights on.
Yeah, see that's the same one, right?
Yeah.
So you can get one for $7.
Yeah, one more.
What is it? What is it
like
called?
It's for a printer, it says. I didn't even know until we looked it up just now.
Cause I thought I seen it in Walmart. That's why I was like, let me
Because the one you was looking up was like $30.
no, I mean that was just like the first one that
No,
popped up.
yeah, the one that popped up. First one was like $30.
You sleep though. This is what you pay your tuner for.
Yo, put it on the floor. Put it on the floor.
This?
Yeah, that could be.
That core longer than the upper. How was the hood store treat you?
Oh, fuck. I'm in the way. Let me get out. You got it here, Justin.
Joke.
The fuck? Hey, John. You got a lighter? That black guy right there.
Bottom. Damn, that's crazy. Y'all wow. That door probably weighs nothing. And you can't. The thing that sucks is you can't cut this out. I mean, you can, but there's a big ass square on the back. Because I was trying to figure out how to cut all that shit out.
No. I didn't know what
You cut where? You cut it more?
I cut it. No, I didn't. They cut this one more. Because this one's the same up here. All is the same except for right here. I did not cut all this shit out right here.
Because if you leave the key in, it starts beeping. Because
Because it slapped it.
Yeah.
That's wild right there, dog. That door probably weighs.
You see that shit real quick? That car show. Me and Bob.
Me and my girlfriend made a pact. She quit drinking if I quit street racing. So you see where I'm at right now. So.
She's probably at home. Fuck. Imagine
12 o'clock when you got inside, you better knock on my door.
Imagine school and
Yeah, for real. I graduated.
Okay guys, so that would be it for tonight's video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And yeah, I enjoyed the night, so make sure you guys go subscribe for more videos and more videos like this and more videos about more cars and stuff like that. So yeah, remember to keep grinding guys and keep moving forward, you know? So peace out.